this is Ran and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make the Rubrics Cube step 1. We have to make basically a cross which is like a plus. This piece is called the centerpiece. These 4 pieces are called the edge pieces and these 4 pieces are called the corner pieces because they are located at the corners. So the first step is to basically move the edges from wherever they are to these 4 positions. But there is also a proper method. We have to make sure that the pieces next to the edges need to be matching with the center pieces. Now first edge is over here, our first edge. So now we have to make sure what is the sticker next to it. It is this, the pink. So now we have to find the pink edge piece, center piece. Now where is it? It is over here. Now this is here, the pink center piece is here. So I'll just simply turn it here. And I'll bring it up. And then now it's not matching. And the pink is here. So I'll just simply turn it towards where it is. Now these two are matching. Now we have to find the next edge. It's here. And it has the green sticker. And where is it? The green center piece is here. So I'll tilt it once. And then I will tilt the upper one like this. And I'll bring the green edge over here. And then I have tilted once again so that the green pieces are matching. The pink is already matching because I tilted it once like this so that when the pink is here, when I bring the green here, I will tilt it back so that the green is and pink is matching. So now the third edge is over here. And its sticker is here. And it's right next to the blue sentence already. So we just simply tilt it up. The blue is also matching because it was already next to the blue sentence. Now where's the last? The last edge is here. And we have to bring it up. So it is already with the orange piece, so we'll bring it up. So it comes like this. Now what if the corner pieces come when we are making the cross? The answer is we just don't care about them because they're needed in the next step. In this step they can come anywhere they want. Don't forget to watch the second step of the Rubrics Cube, the Rubric Cube corners.